Module 6. What to do if you've been scammed. If the scam is still in process, break off all communication. No matter how tempting the offer seems or how much pressure they apply, don't respond. Ignoring them is often the best move, as many scammers will simply lose patience and move on to another target if they don't get a response. Also, don't think about messing with them. While it might seem fun to waste their time, it can backfire. Angry scammers may retaliate and make your situation worse. So, the best action is to disengage and report the scam to the authorities or cybersecurity professionals. Let the experts handle it. If you've already fallen for the trap, don't panic. Stay calm. There are still steps you can take. First, if you were tricked into providing sensitive information, like your login credentials or social security number, notify the credit bureaus to freeze your credit and file a fraud alert. That way, scammers won't be able to use your name to open new accounts or take out loans. Also, reach out to your card issuer to request a new card for added security. Be sure to reset your passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This is especially important if you've been phished or impacted by a data breach, as it helps prevent scammers from accessing your accounts. Talking to someone you trust can also be helpful, especially if you're unsure of your next steps. Remember, scammers often try to isolate their victims. So, reach out to a friend, family member, or colleague for support and guidance. Next, if you got tricked into downloading a malicious app, uninstall it immediately. Then, you should run a malware scan using trusted security tools like Bitdefender. You should also gather evidence and report the scam to the authorities. This helps prevent others from becoming victims and aids in building a case, increasing the chances of catching the scammer. In the US, you can report to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov and the FBI at ic3.gov. In the UK, you can file a report via Citizens Advice Scams and Action Fraud from the National Fraud and Cybercrime Reporting Center. In other countries, you can check reporting options with law enforcement or your National Consumer Protection Agency. While victims often don't get their money back, you can still try. First option you can try is contacting your bank. If you paid with your card, dispute the charge immediately. If they confirm it was fraudulent, you may get a refund. Next option, request a chargeback. If you used a digital payment service like PayPal or Venmo, file a dispute with evidence, screenshots of messages, transaction details, anything that supports your case. Plus, update your PayPal or Venmo information, including your bank account, card numbers, email, and password. If you paid via gift card, keep it and the receipt, then contact the gift card company to report the scam and request a refund. If you sent cash by mail, contact your postal service to see if they can intercept the money. In the US, you can reach the Postal Inspection Service at 877-876-2455. Scams can also take an emotional toll on victims. So, emotional recovery matters too. You can start by talking to a friend, counselor, or a support group. Being scammed can leave you feeling betrayed and distrustful, but having someone to talk to can help you process those emotions. Getting scammed can shake your confidence and make you doubt yourself. But remember, everyone makes mistakes. It doesn't define you. The truth is, scammers are experts at deception, so instead of blaming yourself, treat this as a learning experience. Use it to prepare yourself for spotting and avoiding scams in the future. You can also regain trust in yourself by practicing small, safe financial decisions. For example, start with low-risk transactions, like online shopping, but take extra precautions. Verify sellers, read reviews, and use secure payment methods before making a purchase. In summary, if you're targeted by a scam, take action immediately and focus on both financial and emotional recovery.